Good afternoon and welcome to my presentation for the Business Boost competition. My name is Andrew Blissett. We empower businesses across the West Midlands with virtual and hybrid conference solutions, providing cost-effective and hassle-free solutions to take your event online. I came up with this idea some time ago. However, after seeing your Business Boost competition, I further developed the concept using design thinking methodology and my experience in the event and education sector. We stand out from our competitors because we are a mobile, virtual and hybrid streaming company with affordable AV and technological solutions that works collaboratively with the current adage and industries. My business will have a positive impact on the community both locally and nationally because it supports community and national goals. It creates local jobs in the event sector. It provides local businesses with better opportunities for innovation and healthy competition. In addition, it provides young people with digital internships in the event sector. And lastly, it reduces the environmental impact caused by travel. The effect of COVID-19 on the business and the sector has been significant. Let's take a look at the situation analysis from 2019. In 2019, the event sector was worth £42.3 billion to the UK economy in terms of direct spend by event delegates. This demonstrated an 8% rise on the previous year's report. The problem in 2020 was the coronavirus pandemic, which has had a significant impact upon the events industry, causing a halt to events and gatherings worldwide. The sector solution, as indicated by Ruben Castano, CEO of Six Connect, he reported that over the past few months, they have seen an increase in virtual events by over 1,000%. My dream for my business would be in phase 1 to develop virtual event and hybrid production. In phase 2 to develop virtual and hybrid production management. In phase 3 to introduce training and digital internships. And in phase 4, which will be replicated, would be to develop virtual studios and a hybrid event venue. Thank you for your time.